Hello everyone, my name is Liu Hanjo. You can call me Mark. My ID is 6730612024. And today I would like to share something a bit different, like how I create my playlist on YouTube. And I want to explain about it like step by step and my progress. Like my playlist is not just about my favorite song, but also what make people actually want to listen and feel good. Like making a playlist isn't just throwing random tracks together. It's like creating mood and make people feel good, and also I want to attract other people to listen to my playlist. So like when I start building a playlist, I don't just focus on my own music taste. I also pay attention to other opinions and suggestions also. Like another important strategy is like staying updated with the trending songs, like because like music changes fast and new hits come out like every week. Missing these new trending songs with some kind of favorite help keep the playlist fresh and balanced, and also make other people to listen to my playlist also. But for me, it's not only about what's popular, it's about how the song feel, and I want to make people feel like cheer up and help them relax after listening to my playlist. And honestly, like I don't keep my playlist fixed. I edit and like modify it all the time regularly. If a song doesn't fit the vibe of my playlist anymore, I replace it and I find a new track to edit right away. Like my playlist is keep evolving, and yeah, this is my secret strategy tips how I create my playlist on YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe my channel also. I see you next time. I will also provide the link to my playlist in the comment. You can enjoy and give feedback to the playlist. See you guys, and thank you for watching the video.